Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's recipe, this watermelon delight we are going to see how to prepare. This recipe was prepared by my husband. He tried this new one and it turned awesome and delicious also. You just can't stop eating with one or two. You can minimum have 5 to 6. Trust me, this is so delicious and so simple with ingredients that are available at our kitchen. We can prepare if we have watermelon in your kitchen and just 10 minutes of time you just can prepare this. So all you need is a watermelon. Select a good watermelon from the market and then cut into pieces and remove the outer skin of the watermelon. So once you remove all the outer skin of the watermelon, you chop the inner red part of the watermelon or the pieces of the watermelon and take a blender or mixie jar and add the chopped pieces into it and blend it nicely into a fine juice. After you blend it nicely, take a bowl and add a sieve and then strain all the juice into it. See that the pulp is out of the juice. It should be finely stained. Now take out the pulp. Here our watermelon juice is all ready, so put it aside. Now take a pan and then add 300 ml of watermelon juice. I have added 300 ml of watermelon juice into this. Otherwise you can see I have added 2 cups of watermelon juice. Now I have added 3/4 of sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar into this, otherwise 80 to 100 grams of sugar, and then 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Now this is the measurement for what I have taken. You can check the sugar according to your taste because watermelon is already sweet, so you can reduce a little bit of sugar. No, if you want to have more sugar, it's your choice. You can add according your taste. Now see that there are no lumps are formed, and then you need to put it on the stove and cook it on low flame. Otherwise, if you put it on high flame or medium flame, we have added corn flour, there are many chances that it will become lumpy. So don't do like that. Cook it on low flame, and if you love to have it in a pudding style, then you can turn it off while it is in a dosa batter consistency. But if you want to cut into circles like what I have shown in the beginning, then you need to get the watermelon puree thicker like this. Now while it is getting thicker, I have added a little bit of color. If it is very optional, if you want to skip it, you can skip this part. And now once you got this thick consistency, turn off the flame and add a little bit of butter, that is half a tablespoon of butter into it, and then stir it nicely and put it aside to cool it. Now take some glasses to have the mold of the watermelon delight. Here I have taken a straight glass like this. Do not take shaped glasses because you can't demold easily. So I have greased these glasses also with butter, and once the watermelon puree is cool, I have added the watermelon puree into the glasses nicely. Now dab it gently from the bottom so that it is free from air bubbles or air gaps. Now you can dab it like this on your palm, or else take a napkin and dab it gently. Once you fill all the glasses with the watermelon puree, refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, remove your glasses from the refrigerator. See how nicely our watermelon delight molds are ready. See, they are easily demolded. So demold all the glasses in which you have filled it. They are very jelly and so attractive and tempting, right? So now take a clean knife and cut it into circles like this. So once you are done doing all the circles, put it aside in a plate. Now here I have taken desiccated coconut. I am putting the link in the description. Go check it. That is an Amazon link. It will be easily available for you. Now take circles of this watermelon delight and just dip it in the shredded coconut or desiccated coconut like this, and then you need to coat it nicely on either sides and on the edges also with this desiccated coconut. And that's it. It's very easy and simple. All you need to have is watermelon and 15 minutes of time or 10 minutes of time. You can prepare this watermelon delight. It's so yummy and delicious. Thank you.